Hi, my name is Aldo Lagrutta from the Technical Analysis Institute. If you have been trading for a while, you probably have heard about divergences. And if you do, you probably know that divergences are not precisely the safest setup out there, right? So you know that it works sometimes, often they don't work. And in this video, I want to show you a very quick hack, easy to trade the divergences using the RSI. So why don't we move to my chart and I'll show you there. Okay, here is my chart. This is the 6-hour chart of the US CAT. So basically what we see here is divergence. What is divergence? Well, basically we see prices move higher here, right? Higher than this one. Whereas the RSI, that is based on price, is not confirming that move. In fact, it's moving lower. So you can see this high here, higher than this, and this one lower than this. In other words, we have negative divergence here. We have bearish divergence. So typically what we would do is to, when we see that, is to sell. But the problem is that that doesn't work very often. So here is the little trick that I'm going to give you today. Instead of selling when you see this negative divergence, you want to see the RSI penetrating this low, the low in between the two highs. When that happens, you get a phenomenal confirmation that the top here is truly in place, at least temporarily, and you will have increased the odds in your favor to have a very successful trade. Now you may be wondering, why do I have all these trend lines here? Well, first of all, using trend lines in the RSI is a phenomenal way of using trend lines. Secondly, it is a good guideline for us to see that if the trend line in the RSI is penetrated, it kind of anticipates that the trend line in the price will also be penetrated. So typically, what we would see in order is the RSI penetrates the trend line, then prices penetrate the trend line, and then the RSI penetrates the low in between the two highs, and then we have our confirmation that our setup is good, we can go short, and likely our trade will succeed. I hope you liked this video, and if you did and you benefit from it, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.